Welcome to RG Biology tutorial classes. Today our dealing topic name is tongue or universal toothbrush. This tongue is considered as a sense organ because it is going to detecting the taste. So when we are coming to this detailed analysis that is related to tongue, we are going to learn certain types of important points that is related to this tongue. First of all, this tongue attaches to floor of buccal cavity. Floor of buccal cavity with the help of a kind of structure that is known as lingual frenulum. With the help of lingual frenulum, it is going to attach us to floor of buccal cavity. Next, it is connecting to a kind of bone connected with a bone known as tongue bone or hyoid bone. The bone name is hyoid bone or tongue bone. Next, it has two kinds of muscles. Two kinds of muscles. They are known as, one is extrinsic muscle. Second one is intrinsic muscle. Extrinsic muscles helps in outward and inward movement of tongue. Outward and inward movement of tongue is regulated by this extrinsic muscle, and intrinsic muscles provide a proper shape to tongue. And where these muscles are located? These are near to surface of tongue. These are deep part of tongue. So they are near to surface of tongue, and these are intrinsic muscles are deeper part of tongue. Hence, the tongue is a muscular organ. It is a muscular organ. Next, here it has two kinds of parts. The tongue again, it has two regions. It has two important two regions, namely, one is pharyngeal part of tongue. Second one is oral part of tongue. Pharyngeal part of tongue occupies 1/3 of tongue, whereas oral part of tongue occupies 2/3 of tongue. It means it is near to pharynx, it is near to buccal cavity. So this is the two regions of tongue. And next, the tongue has mainly, and human beings having 4 kinds of papillae on its surface. But when we are coming to the mammals, there are 4 types of papillae present. So I would like to write here about the mammals. Mammals, on their surface on tongue, they bear 4 kinds of papillae. 4 kinds of papillae. What are the papillae? We discuss one by one. There are 4 important types of papillae are noticed. First one is circumvallate papillae. Circumvallate papillae. These circumvallate papillae are largest papillae. They are largest papillae. Next, their number is 8 to 12 in number. They are 8 to 12 in number. Their number is 8 to 12. And each papillae contains 100 taste buds. 100 taste buds. And where they are located? They are usually located at sulcus terminal. Sulcus terminal is nothing but it is a V-shaped, inverted V-shaped structure. It is an inverted V-shaped structure. That is inverted V-shaped structure. That is located at the base of tongue. Located at base of tongue. So this is about circumvallate papillae. First type of, there are 4 kinds of papillae present. That first type of papillae is circumvallate papillae. So they are largest papillae. Their number is 8 to 12 in number. Each papillae contains 100 taste buds. They are located at sulcus terminal. Sulcus terminal is nothing but it is a inverted V-shaped structure or groove. So where it is located? The location is base of tongue, near to pharynx. Next type of papillae is foliate papillae. This is the second type of papillae. This foliate papillae are not found in humans. But they noticed in early childhood stages. Early childhood, we find out this foliate papillae. This foliate papillae noticed in all mammals. All mammals bears this foliate papillae except humans. In humans, early childhood stages they are noticed. In adult human beings, they are going to disintegrate it. That's why we could not find out this foliate papillae in adult human beings. So these are absent in human beings. Okay, next. And this foliate papillae location is near to circumvallate papillae. Their location is near to circumvallate. Papillae. Their location is circumvallate papillae. Next, third type, Philippa papillae. Third type is filiform papillae. Filiform papillae. These filiform papillae are smallest papillae, and their number is numerous, and their location is surface of tongue. So these are the smallest papillae. Their number is numerous. They are noticed. They are located at surface of tongue. Each papillae bears. These filiform papillae do not have any kind of taste buds. So taste buds are absent. Here the important points are taste buds are absent in filiform papillae. Then what kind of structures they have? They have an important structure that are called as tactile receptors. Instead of taste buds, they bears tactile receptors. So taste buds are absent in this papillae, but instead of this taste buds, they bears tactile receptors. This tactile receptor main functional role is they promote friction between food and tongue. Because of that reason, the food is going to broken down. Food particles broken down, and again this friction promote swallowing the food into pharynx swallowing the food into pharynx. This is about tactile receptors working role. So this is the third type of papillae. Filiform papillae are smallest, numerous in number, they are located at surface of tongue. They are not having any kind of taste buds. So instead of taste bud, they bears a kind of receptor, those called as the tactile receptors. This tactile receptor main functional role is they provide friction between the food particles and tongue, and because of this friction, so the food particles are broken down and swallowing the food into the pharynx. This is the major role of tactile receptors. Then the fourth type of papillae is fungiform papillae. These fungiform papillae are less numerous in condition. They are usually bright red and spherical shaped. Structures, but these filiform papillae are white conical shaped structures. And this actually in this filiform papillae taste buds are absent, but in this fungiform papillae taste buds are present. Each fungiform papillae contains contains 5 taste buds. 5 taste buds. So this is about the fungiform papillae. Fungiform papillae location is tip of tongue. So Fungiform papilla location is tip of tongue. Their color is bright red and their shape is spherical shaped. Taste buds are present. These taste buds in each papillae their number is 5 in condition. 5 in condition. So this is about 4 kinds of papillae that are related to tongue. Actually in this human beings we have to find out only 3 kinds of papillae. They are circumvallate papillae, filiform papillae, fungiform papillae. But we could not find out foliate papillae in humans, but in all mammals these papillae, foliate papillae are present. So this is about the information that is related to tongue. Let me focus on diagrammatic part which is related to tongue. And here it is going to detecting 4 kinds of tastes also, where the tastes are going to detecting all this information. I would like to draw here. So this is the glottis part, epiglottis part. So in this, what are the points we are mainly remember? And I would like to representing the 4 types of papillae in this tongue. So the circumvallate, first type of papillae is circumvallate. Circumvallate papillae location is at a groove. This is a grooved part or inverted V-shaped part. This is called as a sulcus terminal. Sulcus terminal. This in the sulcus terminal we find out this 8 to 12 numbered circumvallate papillae. The apex of circumvallate papillae or sulcus terminals, we find out one more kind of structure that is called as a kind of pit. This is a kind of pit. This is a kind of pit. This pit is known as cecum foramen. Cecum foramen. This cecum foramen, it is a kind of pit. Derived from the thyroglossal duct of thyroid gland. It is derived from thyroglossal duct. This belongs to thyroid gland. Next, on the top of this foramen cecum, we find out some more kind of structures. These are known as a kind of tonsils. These tonsils are lingual tonsils. Lingual tonsils are there. On either sides of these lingual tonsils, some more kind of tonsils are also there. This is palatine tonsils. So in this tongue we can find out 2 kinds of lymphoid structures. One is lingual tonsils, another one is palatine tonsils. This is the part related to epiglottis. Next, we are going to focus on Second type of, it is not present in human beings, but rest of the mammals they bears this papillae. So this papillae is appear like this. So in early stages we find out this type of papillae here. This is termed as foliate papillae. Foliate papillae. Next, lateral sides of tongue. Lateral sides of tongue, we find out this part. We find out this. These are known as lateral sides of tongue, and along with that surface of tongue also we find out this type of papillae, conical shaped structures. These are known as filiform papillae. Filiform papillae. These papillae do not have any kind of taste buds, and at the tip of tongue we find out fourth or third kind of papillae in human beings, fourth type of papillae in mammals. So this is fungiform papillae. Fungiform papillae. And on this, a median groove is also noticed on tongue. This is median groove of tongue. Now the important point that is related to tongue, now we are going to discussing about the main important points that are related to taste. So here the base of tongue we find out bitter. So bitter taste is going to detected at the base of tongue. So this is the base of tongue. Next, sour. So near to bitter taste or near to base of tongue, these both are located at base of tongue. So this is the basal part of tongue. So near to base, I mean in circumvolate papillae, the receptors which are going to detect the bitter taste, and the near to circumvolate papillae we are going to detecting one more kind of taste, that is called as the sour. And next, this is salt. Lateral side of tongue, we are going to detecting a kind of taste, that is salt. The tip of tongue we are going to detect sweet. So there are four important tastes we are going to detecting: bitter, sour, salt, sweet. Bitter is near to base of tongue. Sour is belongs to near to base. Salt, surface of tongue and lateral sides of tongue. Lateral sides of tongue. Sweet, at tip of tongue. I just write four tastes here. Bitter is at base, only base. Next, sour, near to base and sides. Near to base and sides of tongue. Salt, sides and surface of tongue. Sweet is at tip of tongue. So this is the complete information that is related to universal toothbrush or tongue. So few more functions are there that is related to tongue. Tongue is helpful for the speaking languages, and it is useful for the mastication of food, and it is useful for the swallowing the food into the esophagus or pharynx part. So these are the major important functional roles, and fourthly, it is going to detecting the taste of the food. So there are four main functions that are mainly performed by the tongue. The first one is, it is the sense organ, taste detecting organ. So first functional role is taste detecting. Second functional role is mastication for the food. So it is helpful for the mastication of food, and along with that, swallowing the food into esophagus. So food mastication and swallowing the food into esophagus, both functional roles are performed by this one. And lastly, speaking languages also regulated. Speaking languages is also kind of functional role that is mainly performed by the tongue. The fourth one is the fourth functional role. It is going to clean the teeth. It is going to clean the teeth. So that's why it is called as a universal toothbrush. Except human beings, no animal cannot going to they are not going to do the brush. But the tongue is acts like as a brush. So it is going to clean the teeth of the animals. So that's why it is considered as a universal toothbrush. So these are the major functional roles of tongue.